Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to record your iPhone mobile screen. For mine I am using iPhone 8. So if you want to record your iPhone mobile screen, just drag it on like this, and here you will see this screen recording option. So just tap and hold here for a couple of seconds and you will see this pop up, and you can see this microphone is off. If you now record your iPhone screen, then people can't hear your voice, so you need to turn this on. Just click on the microphone and you can see that it's now turned on. So now you can easily record your iPhone mobile screen by just drag it on like this and just tap here. You can see this 3 2 1. Now start. Now your iPhone mobile screen will be recorded. Whatever on your iPhone screen, it will be recorded easily. You can see that it's recorded. You can easily stop this by just click stop, and your recording will be finished. In this way you can easily record your iPhone mobile screen with your original voice. So hope you like this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.